Hi, I'm Gavin Waddell, a virtual classroom facilitator at MCI Solutions. The business writing series, Structured Writing, Session 1, is built for individuals who need to create professional written documents that lead to tangible outcomes. We look at constructing powerful messages that persuade and motivate action, and applying structured writing to create effective and clear documents. We explore techniques to organize various units of information and business writing that we can use to inspire our own work. Now, this course is particularly relevant because written communication is critically important for building professional influence and credibility. And as with all of our virtual classes, you'll leave with practical insights and tips that you can use straight away. I look forward to seeing you online very soon.